Hi everyone. Last week I discussed about the email list, about what you should do and not do when building an email list. Today I will discuss with you about the sign up form. You will need this to build your email list. Before I continue, remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to stay updated whenever I publish a new video. It's an online form that you use to invite visitors to your mailing list. Here is an example from my website, Passive Online Revenue. You can put the form on your website, landing pages, social media, etc. The idea is to get people to join your mailing list, and you do that by using a lead magnet. In my sign-up form, the lead magnet is free training. When people are keen to get the free training, they fill the fields in the form and click on the button to join my mailing list. There are different types of sign-up forms. There is the fixed bar, the image box, the exit pop-up, the scroll form, etc. You choose which one that will fit your business needs. There are basically 4 elements in a sign-up form. There is the headline. This is where you grab the user's attention. In my sign-up form, it is Get Free Training Now. It also tells the visitor what they will get. That is the lead magnet. The second element is the value proposition. You tell the reader what they will get when they join your mailing list. In my sign-up form, I continue to tell the visitor about the value of the free training they will get. And the value is that they will get help and support so that they can achieve their business goals. The third element is the form fields. These are for the user to input contact details so that you can send the lead magnet to them, as well as continuing to send follow-up emails to nurture a relationship with your subscribers. Eventually, the goal is to convert them into customers and get sales and revenue. Remember to ask only for data that you need. For example, their name and email address. Studies have shown that the easier to fill a form, the higher the chances that people will sign up. The fourth element of your sign-up form is the CTA button. This is your call to action button to get the visitor to act and join your mailing list. In my sign-up form, the CTA button is in red color with the text Get It Now. Try not to use the word subscribe. It's been found that the word subscribe can be a turn off to some people. You have to protect your sign-up process with security measures and also protect against bots signing up. Do double opt-in. After a subscriber fills your form and submits his or her information, send them a confirmation email. The subscribers must then click and confirm that they are really interested to join your mailing list. Only after then, you add them to your mailing list. Double opt-in helps to build your list with correct and valid email addresses. Also, it makes sure that the person is giving you permission for you to add them to your mailing list and to continue sending emails to them. You should also use captchas to prevent bots from signing up to your mailing list. I spoke about this in the previous do's and don'ts video, so you can go watch that if you want to find out more. I use GetResponse as my email marketing service provider. They make it very easy to set up sign-up forms. There are templates to help you create the forms, many templates, and you create it very quickly. And the designs are all really nice. Of course, you can modify them if you like to. There are also different layouts and sizes to suit your needs. Then after you create a form, on Get Response, they will give you a code. Then you just simply add this code onto your website or on any web page where you want your sign up form to appear, and it will appear there for users to sign up. There is a free trial at Get Response. Go to the description and click on the link to get your free trial. It is best practice to optimize your forms. You can do A/B testing to see what forms work best. Remember to keep your form fields to a minimum. If you need more data from your subscribers, you can always do follow-up emails to ask for that. Lastly, keep it simple. Make your forms easy to understand. Do you have any questions about this topic, about the sign-up form to build your email list? Let me know in the comments below. I will be more than happy to help. For more videos about business, marketing, and making money online, remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated whenever I publish a new video. I wish you immense wealth and success.